In this video, we will cover how to create whiteboards and how to navigating around whiteboards and how to work in whiteboards. Let's kick things off by assessing and navigating whiteboards. Currently, whiteboards are a view that you can add to any space, folder, list, or everything level, similar to any other view in Tracup. All you need to do is click the Add View button at the top of the location and select the whiteboards. You can also create whiteboards directly in the sidebar. And please put your name of your whiteboard and add view. Then you will directly enter your new whiteboards. The brand new whiteboards will be created in the location you selected. And when the whiteboards opens, you are greeted by templates. This is our template center. As you can see, we have already uploaded some templates like the World Cup poster and some of the national flag in our template center. If you want to enter our template center, just click the templates and you will enter our some template center directly. And now let's start from some scratch. When you first open a whiteboard, you will see the following. You will see this canvas. This is a place to walk and create your ideas. If you want to move canvas, just hold mouse wheel or space bar while dragging. And you will see the toolbar at here. You can lock down your toolbar or unlock. Navigating around whiteboards is a breeze. If you just want to move around and not select anything, you have these options. Scroll your mouse wheel and or you hold your spacebar while dragging, which gives you the freedom to move around the canvas without selecting anything. And you can also click this plus sign or just enter the control and the plus, and you can make this picture bigger or smaller to see some details about your masterpiece. And if you want to use a cursor or add objects to the canvas, you can choose some elements in this website. And if you want to add some elements onto into your canvas, you can directly come to this xgalladrawing.com and add some elements from your browse libraries. Once you click browse libraries, you will see many elements you can choose. And for example, if I want to choose decision flow control, you can add to XGalladrawing, and all of this will be successfully at this your personal space. And once you select one of the elements, you can copy all of this and come back to your Tracup canvas and test all of these elements. And you also can edit anything like the letters, the elements, even the color, the softness, and the stroke style, and the width, layers about these elements. You can also press the plus sign and minus signs. Time to explore the toolbar more. This is how you create content for your whiteboard. Let's start with shapes and add a shape to the whiteboards. Choose one of the clean space and click the shape icon and select the type of shape you want. Let's go with a square here. Once you select your shape, scroll to an open spot on the whiteboard and click once to drop the new shape on the board. Great, and let's add a circle next. You can add as many new shapes as you can, but what if you want to make your own shape a different color or even change your shape? Just click on it. The object menu will appear and you can choose a new color from the palette. You can even adjust the size of any shape. Click on any shape and then hold and drag the white dots on the corners to keep the shape size responsive as you change it. You can also change the shape dimension by hovering over any side of the shape. And then click and hold and drag and adjust the size. Give your shapes direction through the use of connectors. Click the connection option in the toolbar. Then hover over any shape and click, hold and drag and drop the connector from one shape to the next. Once the connect is created, you can edit or update it by clicking on it. change the color style, direction, even the type of connector. Add here. Have you ever needed to jot down some notes and capture your thoughts? Sticky notes can help, and you can select the notes from our template center. And drop it anywhere on your whiteboard. Sticky notes work similarly to shapes where you can write a rich text. Connect them to anything and create more sticky notes rapidly by clicking on the plus sign in our template center. If you want to add text or draw on the canvas, select these options from the toolbar. You can add images from the toolbar as well. Simply select the option you want and add it to wherever you want in your canvas. And now you are able to access and navigating and working our whiteboards. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to us at help@tracup.com. We will see you next time.